Let's get to this Allergan news, Jim.
Yeah.
Appaloosa, David Tepper, well-known hedge fund, not typically active, but occasionally uses it as one of the tools in the toolbox, sends a letter dated February 5th to the board saying, ladies and gentlemen, we've submitted a proposal for the upcoming annual meeting to request that you separate the roles of chairman and CEO. Not the first time they've asked. They asked the board to do this originally on April 23rd of last year, subsequently May 7th and June 5th. And now they say in the wake of Tuesday's earnings, which you focused on, it should now be readily apparent to all interested and responsible parties that Allergan requires a fresh approach to its business strategy and an unbiased review of its capabilities, opportunities, and way forward.
Well, let me just tell you, Brent Saunders is going to be under fire here. Now, there was that last quarter was suboptimal, and they even talked about they didn't talk about their major depression drug. That's been a very hard category. They spent a lot on different things, on Kythera, for instance, and ended up giving you like a Pelican bill for 2 weeks. And now there's Evolus, which is another challenger to Botox. The company is under siege.
Siege isn't.
Well,
really?
Well, look, it just got downgraded by everybody. Just this morning, Bank of America Merrill took it off the US 1 list, David. So, I mean, the analysts are deserting it in droves. People are very worried about Botox. It still generates a lot of cash. David, how about if we got Bob Eugen in there? Seasoned chairman, New Jersey, didn't win for Senate. Terrific guy, used to run Celgene, lives not that far. He could be a seasoned chairman that could come in and really do a lot good. So I'm going to propose that David Tepper, whom I've known for years and years, say that Bob Eugen would be terrific. Now, I don't know if I saw Bob Eugen recently at the JP Morgan Healthcare Conference.
Now, a new chairman may solve some issue that they have, but it's not necessarily going to put the company in a different direction.
No, I mean, the fact is that they spent a fortune, David, on new things new companies that seem to not work out, bought back a lot of stocks, still have a lot of debt on the balance sheet. It's a very hard business, the pharmaceutical business, unless you have a hit. They need a hit. They are not hitting hits. They're not getting any hits. And something needs to at least be in there with Botox. Celgene, look, when Bristol Myers decided to buy Celgene, they did say that there are other assets coming up, other hits. They need more shots on goal. I did not like the quarter, David. I did not like the quarter one bit. I did not like the border eggs and ham. So I do think that what has to happen is David Tepper has to put it in play.